Compute square root of 28 using Newton's iterative formula. Using Newton's raphson iterative formula, we have already computed in order to find out square root of a real number capital N, where capital N is greater than 0. The Newton's formula value will be xn plus 1 equals 1 by 2 times xn plus capital N upon xn. Here we have capital N equals 28. Hence, we have the formula xn plus 1 equals 1 by 2 times xn plus 28 by xn. Since we wish to find out square root of 28 and we know that 25 is the nearest perfect square to 28, we will choose first approximation x0 as square root of 25, which equals 5. As another example, if we were asked to compute square root of 38, we would have selected x0 equals root of 36, which equals 6. Whichever is the value we wish to find out, we will select the first approximation as the value which is most familiar to us and close to the given value which we wish to compute. When you give n equals 0 in the general formula, we will obtain x1 equals 1 by 2 times x0 plus 28 by x0, where x0 equals 5. Thus we obtain x1 equals 5.3. In order to find out x2, we will give n equals 1 in this general formula and we obtain x2 equals 1 by 2 times x1 plus 28 by x1, where x1 equals 5.3. Thus we obtain x2 equals 5.29151. In order to compute x3, we will give n equals 2 in the general formula and we obtain x3 equals 1 by 2 times x2 plus 28 by x2, where x2 takes the value 5.29151. We obtain x3 equals 5.29150. Thus, based on the previous approximations x0, x1, x2 and x3, by Newton-Raphson method, we have obtained square root of 28 equals 5.29150 approximately.